Hello students, now in this video we will discuss about the limitations of dimensional analysis. We have discussed the dimensional analysis and application of dimensional analysis. Now we will discuss the limitations of the dimensional analysis. There are few points. We will discuss these points one by one. Point number one. The method does not give any information about the dimensionless constant. Okay, this does not give any information. Like we have derived the relation T is equals to 2 pi under root L by G. Okay, there was no information about 2 pi. We have taken K is equals to 2 pi. Using dimensional analysis, we cannot define the value of that constant. This is the drawback of the dimensional analysis. Second point is it fails when a physical quantity depends on more than three physical quantities. We have derived T directly proportional to m to the power mass to the power a and length to the power b and g to the power c. If there is any other quantity more than three quantities, let us suppose the radius to the power d. If there are more than three quantities, the dependency of the time period, to calculate the dependency of the time period will be more and more difficult. Hope you are getting. Now third point is it fails when a physical quantity, for example s equals to ut plus half at square, is the sum or difference of two or more quantities. Dimensional analysis, the drawback of dimensional analysis is what? S is equals to ut plus half at square. If we apply dimensional analysis to check the consistency of the equation, if the equation is this ut minus half at square, mathematically it is wrong, theoretically it is wrong, but if you check the dimension of S, dimension of ut and dimension of half at square, finally you will see that the according to the dimensional analysis the formula is correct. Means the formula is correct according to the dimension, but it is incorrect. It fails whether it is plus or minus. This is the drawback of the dimensional analysis. Hope you are getting. Now fourth point, that is it fails to drive relationship which involves trigonometric, logarithmic or exponential functions, because the value of trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions and exponential functions is a value that have a dimensional constant. This is applied for the first point, like dimension, you don't know about the dimension, that was the 2 pi. It may be different, k may be different for the different equations. Okay, hope you are getting, and thanks for watching this video.